Welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. I'm Margaret Gallant, and today we're going to make my absolute favorite cheese sauce, Nacho cheese sauce. So let me go through the ingredients and then we'll show you how easy it is. We have 1 cup of raw cashews, 1 cup of hot water, a 2-ounce jar of pimentos, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of paprika. And then we're going to add in a chili seasoning that you can find in our videos under chili seasoning. We're going to add in that at the very end to taste. So let's get started. We're going to use our high-speed blender and we're going to put all the ingredients in and mix it up. So we'll start with our cashews. And our water. Then we're going to put in all the other ingredients, pimentos, the lemon juice. Make sure you use fresh lemon juice, and all the other spices. Just throw them all in there. All right. And we're going to put our lid on and blend it up. You want to make sure we blend it up really well to make it a smooth cheese sauce. So it's going to be a little loud. If you're using a high-speed blender, the longer you blend it, you're heating it up and it's going to thicken. Or you can put it on a saucepan and thicken it up by heating it over the stove. Let's see what it looks like now. We'll pour it into this bowl. It's a beautiful color, and as it sits, it'll thicken up a little bit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a 1/4 teaspoon of the chili seasoning, and then you can taste it, and if you want to add a little bit more, you can. So you just add the chili seasoning and mix it all up. And you've got a lovely, lovely cheese sauce. Now, if you want to leave the chili seasoning out and just have a different type of cheese sauce, you're welcome to. So it gives you a little versatility in your cheese sauces. Enjoy this wonderful nacho cheese.